In this video, I'm going to show you how to use Google Assistant for task reminders. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing and liking this video so others can find it. So the first thing we're going to do is to open up the app Google Assistant. You don't have to have an Android in order to download this app. I'm actually using my iPhone and it works perfectly fine. And now the only thing we need to do is to open up the microphone and start asking Google for whatever it is that we need. In this case, I'm going to ask Google to remind me at 3 p.m. to make my lunch. Hey Google, can you remind me at 3 p.m. to make my lunch, please? And that's it. Now under Google Task, you're going to see this reminder. So you pretty much save the time of opening Google Calendar, then Google Task, and creating that reminder. Google Assistant simply does it for you automatically. And that's it. I hope this video helped you, and don't forget to subscribe down below. Bye.